How can businesses keep more of their profits? By keeping employees healthy and productive. The American College of Occupational and Environmental Medicine, ACOM, recognizes that the workplace is the critical location for improving the overall health of employees and their families. Unhealthy employees can drain business profits in one of two ways: medical expenses or productivity losses. Medical expenses come in the form of doctor's visits, pharmacy costs, or insurance claims. Productivity losses come in the form of absenteeism and presenteeism. Absenteeism refers to the cost of lost productivity when employees call in sick. An empty workstation does not produce much. Presenteeism refers to the profits that are lost when health issues limit job performance. ACOM and Integrated Benefits Institute recently conducted a study to examine the full financial impact of health conditions in the workplace. We will call this the Cost of Health Study. They evaluated 10 companies and over 50,000 employees to explore which illnesses were most expensive to employers and where most profits were lost. They discovered that the top 10 health conditions that cost the workplace the most include depression, obesity, arthritis, back or neck pain, anxiety, reflux, allergies, cancer, chronic pain, and hypertension. It's interesting to note that obesity is associated with causing or worsening 9 out of the 10 illnesses. It seems that if we can control the weight problem, we can improve many of the other health conditions that lead to increased costs. It's been reported that obesity alone costs employers $73 billion a year. Without consideration of productivity losses, normal weight employees cost an average of $3,800 a year in covered medical claims, while a morbidly obese person costs employers more than double that. Because of the move towards shared risk and employees paying higher deductibles and copays, you might be tempted to think you're not losing that much money. However, let's take a look at how much profit businesses lose in terms of lost productivity. The Cost of Health study reported that on average for every $1 employers spent on medical costs, they absorb $2 to $4 on health-related productivity costs. Nearly two-thirds of health-related employee costs come in the form of lost productivity, with presenteeism accounting for twice as much as absenteeism. So even if your employees cost you nothing in medical expenses and never call in sick, if you have employees that suffer from any of the top 10 health issues, you're probably bleeding profits in terms of presenteeism. Since most of the top 10 health-related issues could be prevented or improved through healthy lifestyles, a simple solution to keep money in your pocket is to promote healthy behaviors among your employees. So how do you promote healthy behaviors and create a culture of health? Contact Workplace Health Incorporated for a free assessment of your work environment.